to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Let's take a field trip to the Big Mouth Garage. Look at these colorful cars. This one's number 4. What number garage do you think we should park it in? 1, 2, 3. Garage 4. That's right. Let's keep it up. Yellow car, number 3. What number garage should we park it in? Number 2? No. Number 3 car goes in the number 3 garage. Yes! Red car, number 1. What number garage should we park it in? Number 2? No. Number 3. Number 1 car in the number 1 garage. Great job. Finally, the orange car, number 2. Park it in the number 2 garage. Oh, yes! Now let's open up the garages. Surprise! 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knew those garages could fit all those eggs? Well, we parked them right. Now let's crack open the surprise toy fun. With it all! And a cool racer. And Olaf. And a cute itty bitty friend. More to crack up. Let's go. Cute, cool kitty. Shake, shake, shake. Han Solo action. Hi, 7. Where's Pooh? Now that's a cool bird. Surprise! Shake, shake, shake! Crash! Pop! Mixart! Magic Kinder. Great job!
School's out!
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! Thanks for playing! Bye-bye! It's an apple! Yes! A P P L E. Apple! You got it! Looks like a spelling surprise! Let's crack open the fun.
Surprise!
Shake, shake, shake.